Hello stalkers, welcome back. We are seeing some signs of weakness in both the markets. Let's start with DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. We can see for the last 3 to 4 days we are seeing indecisive candles back to back. We are not seeing any decisive candle like this after this strong push to the upside. We have a historical data. Check this out. This area we can see mostly indecisive candles, and finally we saw a thrust to the upside. But looking at these candles, my analysis say there are good chances we can see a drop very soon in DFM market index. If you remember, I have been mentioning right from this zone that it's showing some signs of weakness. We are not seeing strong thrust to the upside. Also, candlestick patterns are not very positive. It's going indecisive. It's showing signs of weakness. So I'm still prepared for a drop to the downside, and I would recommend you the same. In case if you're holding any positions, be prepared for a drop. Immediate support we have already identified at 5190 area. If this fails, then we have stronger support at 5115 zone. Yes, on the way down it may take a bounce from any of these levels, but as of now, looking at the chart, this is a good support zone where potentially market can come and bounce off. If this fails, then we also have another support areas on the way down. In case if it drops till here, still we will consider it to be a correction phase. It will not enter bearish territory, that is in a downtrend. There are chances any of these zones may act as demand areas, and we can see another push to the upside very soon. Overall, DFM market index is still positive and bullish. ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, today again disappointed. If you are watching my analysis regularly, hit the like button to show your support. Check this out. I have been mentioning we are seeing all negative candles back to back, and finally in Friday's session we saw this green candle, still a small wick at the top. Today we are seeing a solid red candle. Market tried to cross the resistance of 9520 area. It could not, and we are seeing selling pressure. Closing is at 9459 points. As we all know that market is trading within this wedge pattern right here. It's been going zigzag. We are seeing a breakout lately right at this zone, that is 9400 area. Market tried to go up. There are chances if at all it comes down, we may see a bounce up from this area, that is 9427 points potentially, or it can even come down a bit lower till about 9400. That will act as a psychological and technical support, and from here we may see upside momentum. However, in case if it comes down back into this wedge pattern, then we have this trend line that is acting as a support. So this was on the negative side. Let's be also prepared if at all we see a reversal tomorrow itself. Then if at all we see a solid candle close above this area, that is 9520 points, then this would be a confirmation that now market is ready to go higher from here. And we have resistance at 9563. Then we have resistance areas between 9590 to 9600 points. Overall, ADX market is still a bit slow. DFM is leading. I personally think DFM will start correction very soon, and ADX market will take over and continue going higher. Multiply today opened on a positive note. We can see a nice bullish opening. Unfortunately, it was not able to survive and it closed red. We can see volume is just normal. Today's closing is at 2.16. This is looking a bit weaker. Resistance is at 2.21 area. It could not close above this zone, so clearly it's showing some signs of weakness, but still it's not bearish. We can see a breakout. Most likely it's coming back for a retest. Any dip into this area should be considered as buying opportunity. After this bullish chart pattern, multiply should not come down and break the low of this, that is 1.92 area. It can play or move within this zone, but it should not go below this zone. If at all it comes down and closes below this area, or even if it starts to trade below this area, then this chart pattern will be invalidated, which I personally think it's not quite possible because buyers have struggled at the bottom. We are seeing a successful breakout of this bullish chart pattern. There are chances, in fact there are very high chances at any of these support areas, that is between 2.17 to 2.08 area, we may see a bounce, or either it may go sideways, and then I'm expecting a good move in multiply. Overall, Multiply no doubt is in a downtrend, but now it's going through a reversal phase. I will be slowly starting to accumulate into this zone. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.